The famous Spanish model and social media sensation Eva Padlock. Eva was born on 1984. She came to the limelight with her social media activity and posing for several modeling campaigns. Her Instagram followers around 2 million. Well, Eva is probably known as a Monster Girl because she is one of the models who promote the Monster energy drink worldwide. Today we are discussing everything about Padlock, including her age, height, boyfriend, career, net worth, and many more. The Spanish lady stands an average height of 5 feet 6 inches tall, where she has carried 61 kg. To get such an attractive body, this 36-year-old Eva goes to the gym regular and follows a strict diet. When it comes to the personal life, Eva is sensitive about it. As of now, she has not shared her love life with the public. However, there is no doubt that she might have been in some of her life relationships. Some reliable sources claim that the model sits on the estimated net worth of 1 million to 5 million US dollar. Thank you.